Hello everyone, welcome to this series on villains in Shakespeare's plays. And in this video, we will discuss the character of Iago from Shakespeare's play Othello. Introduction. Iago, the ensign in William Shakespeare's tragedy Othello, stands as one of the most nefarious villains in all of literature. His cunning, deceit, and masterful manipulation drive the plot forward, ultimately leading to the tragic downfall of Othello, the Moorish general of Venice, and his innocent wife, Desdemona. This video delves into the various aspects of Iago's character, examining his motivations, manipulative tactics, and the thematic significance of his actions, supported by relevant quotes from the play. Cunning and deceit. From the outset, Iago's cunning and deceitful nature is evident. He harbors deep resentment towards Othello for promoting Cassio over him and suspects that Othello has been involved with his wife Emilia. Iago's ability to present a facade of loyalty while secretly orchestrating Othello's downfall underscores his duplicitous nature. In Act 1, Scene 1, Iago reveals his true intentions to Rodrigo, stating, "Iago, I am not what I am." This declaration encapsulates Iago's deceptive nature, highlighting his skill in concealing his true motives behind a veneer of honesty and loyalty. Motivations. Iago's motivations are complex and multifaceted, driven by jealousy, ambition, and a deep-seated malice. His envy of Cassio's promotion and his unfounded suspicions about Othello's relationship with Emilia fuel his desire for revenge. Additionally, Iago seems to derive a perverse pleasure from manipulating others and causing chaos. In Act 1, Scene 3, Iago outlines his plan to manipulate Othello, revealing his malicious intent. Iago: "Thus do I ever make my fool my purse, for I mine own gained knowledge should profane, if I would time expend with such a spine, but for my sport and profit." Iago's admission that he exploits Rodrigo for his own amusement and gain underscores his unscrupulous nature and delight in manipulation. Manipulative tactics. Iago's manipulation is characterized by his ability to exploit the weaknesses and insecurities of those around him. He skillfully plants the seeds of doubt in Othello's mind, using insinuations and half-truths to create a false narrative of Desdemona's infidelity. In Act 3, Scene 3, Iago employs psychological manipulation to ensnare Othello, saying, "Iago, oh, beware, my lord, of jealousy. It is the green-eyed monster which doth mock the meat it feeds on." By warning Othello of jealousy while simultaneously insinuating Desdemona's unfaithfulness, Iago cunningly manipulates Othello into doubting his wife's fidelity. The destruction of Othello. Iago's manipulation leads Othello down a path of suspicion, jealousy, and ultimately destruction. His ability to maintain his facade of loyalty while subtly influencing Othello's thoughts showcases his exceptional manipulative skills. Iago's machinations result in Othello's tragic decision to murder Desdemona, believing her to be unfaithful. In Act 5, Scene 2, Othello, consumed by jealousy, resolves to kill Desdemona. Othello: it is the cause, my soul. Let me not name it to you. You chaste stars, it is the cause. This moment reflects the culmination of Iago's manipulation as Othello, convinced of Desdemona's infidelity, takes irreversible action. Thematic significance. Iago's character embodies themes of jealousy, trust, and the destructive power of deceit. His actions illustrate how manipulation and dishonesty can unravel the fabric of trust and lead to catastrophic outcomes. Iago's ability to manipulate those around him highlights the vulnerability of human nature to deceit and the devastating consequences of unchecked jealousy. In Act 3, Scene 3, Iago's manipulation reaches its peak as he solidifies Othello's doubts. Iago, look to your wife, observe her well with Cassio. Wear your eye thus, not jealous, not secure. I would not have your free and noble nature, out of self-bounty, be abused, look to it. Iago's ability to sow doubt and mistrust underscores the play's exploration of the fragile nature of trust and the ease with which it can be undermined by deceit. Conclusion: Iago is a character of profound cunning and malevolence, whose manipulation and deceit drive the tragic events of Othello. His motivations, while complex, are rooted in jealousy, ambition, and a perverse enjoyment of causing harm. Through his actions, Iago embodies the themes of jealousy, trust, and the destructive power of deceit, illustrating the catastrophic consequences of manipulation. His legacy as one of Shakespeare's most formidable villains continues to captivate and horrify audiences, cementing his place as a central figure in the study of human malice and the darker aspects of human nature. So this was the analysis of Iago's character in Shakespeare's play Othello. We will meet in the next video and discuss some other character. Until then, goodbye and thank you.